Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 digital heat gun. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Bosch GHG20-63. Specifications. Brand name, Bosch. Model number, GHG20-63. Usage, renovation team. Air volume, 500L. Rated output power, 2000. Certification, CE. Weight, 0.65 kilograms. Item number 4 is Adjustable Temperatures Heat Gun. Specifications. Usage, home DIY. Air volume, 2500 LPM. Rated output power, 2000 W. Feature, temperature digital display. Rated voltage, 220 V. Is customized, yes. As the item number 3 we've selected, 300W 540 degrees Celsius Cordless Heat Gun. Specifications. Brand name, ZF. Usage, home DIY. Feature, temperature digital display. Voltage, 18-20 V. Power, 300 W. Display, LCD digital display. Certification, CE, FCC. Item number 2 is Digital Hot Air Gun. Specifications. Brand name, Lefevre. Model number, QR611A. Usage, commercial manufacture. No load speed, 1800 RPM. Air volume, 250 to 500. Rated output power, 2000 W. Rated voltage, 220 V. Is customized, yes. Weight, 0.8 kilograms. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Hot Air Gun with LCD. Specifications. Brand name, Hupar Tools. Model number, HG01. Usage, home DIY. Feature, temperature adjustable, temperature digital display. Rated voltage, 220 V. Weight, 1.3 kilograms.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.